What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have not posted a video to YouTube in like 3 months. Trying something a little different. Other than race recaps, stuff like that. Right now, getting fuel, getting ready to head to Marysville, California, E Street, for the E Street side-by-side and NorCal rock racing race tomorrow. Let's go. Alright guys, so out here in Marysville, California at the E Street MX side-by-side track. This is a cool little track. I raced this track the end of last year. Had a lot of fun doing it. Just out today supporting racers and the series. Been a good day of action. The last main is about to fire off. They're doing a little track prep right now. Wrapped up in Marysville for E Street and NorCal side-by-side. Gonna head back to home and start prepping the rugged trailer for Vegas to Reno support and work on 2.0 race car. So what's up, guys? Vegas to Reno, Reno to Vegas, 2026. Obviously, I'm sitting in pit 1. Well, you don't know I'm sitting in pit 1 as you're watching this, but currently at pit 1 at Weeks. Not racing this year. Not sure what to say on that right now. That might come later in this video or in another video in the future. Chasing Tim Fitzpatrick in the T814 today, so you know me, gotta keep the adrenaline up and chase even though I'm not racing. So absolutely perfect weather for racing. It's like 80 degrees, a little breeze, quite the intro to a video, so let's go. So Tim and Bodie are through pit 1. No issues. They didn't stop. They kept ripping. Car looked good. Headed for pit 5, 4, 5, whatever. Minor pit is where I'm headed next. Got a couple hour drive to get there, and hurry up and wait for the race car we're chasing. So chase views. Got racing tracks, tracking the race car. Up on that iPad. We got the live stream from the race car up on that iPad. Radio, rugged of course. Down the road we go. Alright guys, so race car is stopped just before, I would say 10 to 15 miles before remote pit out at Rawhide. Looks like they lost an alternator. Batteries are dead. So we have a fresh alternator in the truck and we are mobbing towards Rawhide pit to try to get an alternator to them so they can keep rolling. I will keep you guys updated. Let's go. Guys, so out at Rawhide pit now. I'm trying to figure out how to get an alternator to Tim. They're on course that way. Like 20 miles. Recovery can't get it to him going backwards down course. So we're just hanging out. One of the other trucks right there. Race car's going by. So we'll see how this goes. Go from there. All right, chase update for T814. They're still on course. The guys from Raging Bull Racing have the alternator now. We got it out to the middle of the desert. It was a rough ride. Took some random frickin' road. I kind of failed for this video. I didn't bring a GoPro or a DJI camera or anything to actually film the nonsense that's going on today. But mobbed down this like power line road that was full of washes and somehow made it here. And then ran into the guys. They had a UTV so they can get there and back a little quicker. And just hopefully we can get Tim going and keep trucking on track or whatever. Guys, so we got him going again. Check out this view. Mobbing through the desert back to highway eventually to get back to the chase. So let's go. So, race mile 269 for Fitzpatrick's car. For the second time today, they've lost alternator. So, for the second time a day, we are mobbing through the desert, trying to get another alternator to them. Not sure what they got going on that's killing the alternators, but definitely not a convenience scenario for them, but gonna get them an alternator and just keep them motivated, keep them pushing to the finish. Alright guys, so right behind me, you can't see it because it's nice and dark out. T814 on the hook. I'm towing them back into pit 6. For some reason they keep burning alternators. And we took another alternator out. I don't know whether that one was new or not. But put it on, car's not charging, so I don't know if it's a battery issue or something else going on. But unfortunately, long but early end to the day, so we'll get him back to pit and go from there. That'll probably be it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. We'll see you soon.